here we are getting beat by the gorgeous Kaya Riley makeup. This appointment was absolutely a luxury. I felt very just beautiful and literally pampered in this whole appointment. When I say this flew by, like she was not playing around. She knows exactly what she's doing, very confident in her work. And I just felt very comfortable in this appointment. I loved it. And something that was different for me was she had the mirror right in front of you the entire time. Like this whole wall that I'm facing is a full like mirror that's stretched across the wall. So you can see yourself during the appointment. And she says she just likes to make her clients feel very comfortable. Like, if they do, want to see themselves or, have any critiques or anything that they want to change, they can let her know. That is so different for me because I'm definitely, like I said in my last video, I'm one of those people that's like, hey, I don't want to see to the end. So I tried to avoid the mirror. I did end up getting the glimpse. I did end up getting a little glimpse like later on in this video. And I was just like, oh, this is gorgeous. But I did really, really like everything that was going on. I liked that aspect too. That was new for me, but it was really cool that you could look at yourself because I feel like most makeup artists be like, wait till the end. And I'm used to doing that too. So I liked her explanation of it though, just to make people feel even more comfortable. My skin felt very hydrated through the whole process. So it was probably the products that she used. And I believe she set my face like pretty early in the makeup process, and I feel like that's just the way she does her makeup. Is she'll set everything the way she wants as far as foundation and concealer, and then go in with her powders on top, and it made it feel very lightweight, like there wasn't much makeup on my face, and I love that. I really like the way my face is warmed up so well with the powder she used. And also this orange blush she's going in with, absolutely 8. Like I loved it on my face. It made my cheeks look very, very warm. And I was just into the way it made my face just so glowy and warm. I don't know. I feel like I'm used to a certain type of contour on me. So like the bronzer into the orange blush was a real moment. Like I usually go with a more pink tone blush. So I really like the way that looked, and that's something I might implement. And I'm loving how like going to the makeup artist and kind of seeing whatever style they like to use and whatever they like to do. It's kind of helping me figure out some stuff I want to do on my own self, like things that I've never tried, but definitely like the way it looks. So again, just like our last person we went to, she's reverse contouring on me. Again, because I feel like with client makeup, you want the makeup to last all day. Something I don't usually care about when doing my own face. So, when I'm doing my face and I'm taking it off 2 minutes later, it's just like, I don't care about this step. But this is something that I think, client makeup artists really do put a emphasis on when doing other people's makeup. So she's doing brows after face makeup, and I've been finding myself do this as well, but she's getting a really nice sleek brow. So let's get into it. Yeah, the brow just absolutely ate down. And I haven't used dip brow in a long time, but I do feel like it gives you a very good wear on your brows, as well as like have them dark and just beautiful. So, and you can kind of like play around with how much you actually want to add. So I like that aspect as well. But I just love that we brought it back, baby. Like that is just such a throwback. And I love the way it looked on my face as well. I did book her signature glam, so it's just very warm, a nice brown smoky eye, and I just feel like she ate that all the way up. Again, very confident, laid that makeup on, and just actually got to choose the lash style as well. And so I'm like, ooh, options, you know? I love it. I love it. I love it. I just really liked the process, y'all, and it's so cool watching it back too, because you just don't know what's going on. For I mean, in this case, I was able to watch her, but I still didn't look because I'm just so used to not looking. So I just loved that. I hope this is giving people ideas too for who to book for prom, because prom is on the way. Prom's here now. So, you know, hopefully this series will help you kind of figure out maybe what your style of makeup is or how you would enjoy, you know, your appointment. And we're really just looking to bring our clientels together, really just trying to encourage and support each other in this industry, and we're in the area, you know? So I love it. I love it. I love it. She slayed that lip, the lash, the under eye. It's just everything for me, okay?
Yes, girl.
Yeah, I'm feeling very snatched.
Woo, you look so cute.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, I feel
it's
very
sitting.
gorgeous. It is. The face is eating.
Y'all gotta go out. Y'all gotta go
no,
out.
we do.
Y'all have to.
We have to go somewhere at this point. Take me out to dinner or something. Like, take me out to brunch. Yeah. Ate that up, of course. Yeah. But I knew that. I knew that would happen. Oh my gosh. I feel very pretty right now, like a doll. Because I like doing your own face. You are used to like how you do your makeup. But honestly, I feel like this isn't far from the way I do my own makeup.
It's just small things.
It's small things. And I love the way you did my brows too.
You like them?
Yeah.
You look cute.
Ah, you used NARS on me?
NARS and Too Faced. Wait, did I do Too Faced? NARS and Too Faced and a little bit of Tarte.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
This is so pretty. It's just giving though with this whole little look with the jeans.
I was like, I need something neutral.
Like, that looks so cute.
I was like, I need something neutral for whatever happens. Oh, I love it. This is so pretty.
Yes.
I gotta show my YouTube. And she ate that. I love it.
So cute.
I love it.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
I love it.
Excuse
So
me?
pretty. Oh my gosh. When I'm looking in there, I'm just like, who is she?
Yeah.
Like, because I never wear makeup out no more. That's sad. Thank you so much, Kaya. I loved it.